Radhika is here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. On this 77th Independence Day, we all have gathered here to celebrate our nation's liberty. Independence Day is a celebration day for our freedom, but it is also the day for remembering the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters. Let us remember those who fought to secure our freedom. Let us remember those who fought to protect our freedom. Let us remember those who sacrificed their all for our freedom. We honor the freedom fighters who bravely fought against the British rule. Many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, and many more led the movement with their determination. We talk about these freedom fighters because we know about them and have read about them. But what about those freedom fighters who have forgotten for many long years? What about those unsung warriors? Freedom fighters like Khudiram, who organized the protest against the British rule in the year 1932 and broke the British law by clinging to the national flag. Freedom fighter Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay, who was a lady known for handicraft, handloom and theatre in India. She gave her part for the upliftment of women, economic and social status. Birsa Munda was a freedom fighter from the tribal community. Khudiram Bose was the freedom fighters whose tales of glory make us feel proud, but also a pity for him, as he was only 18 when he was sentenced to death for raising his voice against the British rule. We should respect the freedom which we are enjoying today, because it is not only the right given by our constitution. Freedom is never dear at any price, as it is a breath of a man would not pay for living. Freedom is an open window which pours the sunlight on the human spirit and human destiny. Independence is not just a flag waving high in the sky. It is about the freedom to dream, freedom to achieve, and freedom to learn. Our freedom fighters had dreamt for an independent India, so that is a reason why they achieved it. So never stop dreaming, because if you stop dreaming, you stop living. As a young learners, we hold the future in our hands. So let's take place to work together to make a positive contribution to the society and to ensure that the dreams of freedom continues to shine bright. As we raise our tricolor flag today, so we should also raise our aspiration to build a strong, inclusive and prosperous India. May this Independence Day remind us that our today's action is our India's tomorrow. Let's work together to create a nation where everyone hearts beats with freedom and everyone soars with possibilities. So lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that लुटेरा है अगर आजाद तो अपमान सबका है, लुटेरा है अगर आजाद तो अपमान सबका है, लुटी है एक बेटी तो लुटा सम्मान सबका है। बनो इंसान छोड़कर बातें मजहब की, बनो इंसान छोड़कर बातें मजहब की, लड़ो मिलकर दरिंदों से क्योंकि ये हिंदुस्तान सबका है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।